How to ignore calls without blocking. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open phone app. After you're in the phone app, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings. After you click on settings, click on caller ID and spam. Turn this on. After you turn this on, you'll find spam ID and it will block the spam callers. Another thing which you can do is scroll down, click on flip to silence. Turn this on. After you turn this on, if you see an incoming call, you can flip and it will silence as well. Another thing which you can also do is scroll down notification. Here, search for do not disturb. Hold on to do not disturb. It will lead you to this page. Turn this on. After you turn this on, it will block calls without blocking the person. Then you can also click on people and other interruptions, and if there was option for people that you want to block or ignore calls, you can simply click on it and add the person. It will ignore their calls. This is how to ignore calls without blocking. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.